channel. Obviously this is like lockdown edition, so today I'm just going to be taking you along with me for what we're getting up to just generally in the day at the moment. Obviously we won't be leaving the house, everything will be from home. We have homeschooling to do, we have like exercise to do, and we have fun in the sun because the sun is shining and it is lovely. So at the moment Mason is Mason is supposed to be doing his homework. Go and sit down and do your homework, please. So he's just doing like a money activity at the moment. Turn around and do it then, baby, please. So he's just doing a money activity at the moment. So he's got like a thing online where basically it shows him a toy, says how much it is, and he has to choose which coins. He's actually really good at it, so that's fine. He can just get on with that by himself. I might make it a bit harder for him in a minute. But yeah, so he's doing that, and Lila and Paige are in the lounge. So these two are playing in here right now. You were supposed to be doing yoga, weren't you? What happened to the yoga?
I just don't know.
You just don't know. Oh dear. Oh dear. Baby. Are you going? Lala's doing the yoga. You want a yoga? Is that yoga over then, is it? It's trolls, yeah. Don't think you're quite getting the idea of it, babe. Oh, there we go. We've got some arms. You're doing very well. Keep going, baby.
I can do it. My feet can do it.
And to hug.
Yeah, hopping like a bunny. Freeze! So the kids have just been doing their exercise to the Easter Bunny song on Go Noodle. For anyone who hasn't heard of Go Noodle, it's really, really good for getting the kids up and moving and dancing around and doing actions and singing along. But I find it really, really hard to get Mason to do anything physical unless it's like going out for a walk or just generally running around like in the woods or whatever. But Go Noodle is something that really works, but actually getting him off his butt for a little while and moving about a little bit. We've got Kirky making our lunch today.
Hang on, Kirky cooks most days, so be quiet.
It's actually really lovely having you at home, Kirk, because I only have to do half the cooking.
You don't even do that.
No, I really hate cooking. You used to be a chef, so...
I love cooking.
Exactly. We're going to have chicken, sweet corn pasta for lunch. We've got quite a bit of pasta in the cupboard at the moment.
Yeah.
Which is a blessing.
Quite a bit, we've got a top shelf.
Yeah, which is a blessing because it's so hard to get, but we eat a lot of it, so we'll work our way through that. we've done lots of educational activities. We've done lots of exercise with Go Noodle. We've had some lunch, we've tidied up, and now it's time to go and relax a little bit and go and get in the hot tub. So all 5 of us are gonna get in the hot tub and have a little bit of, have a little bit of chill time this afternoon. Paige is absolutely shattered and has done nothing but whinge for the last hour. So this is just gonna further wear her out. So I'm hoping that then she can have a nice early night, which is nice for us grown-ups. But yeah, you ready, Lila? Are you ready? Are you ready? Should we go and get in the hot tub? Yeah. Okay, let's go. Are we having fun in the hot tub? It's quite full with all of us in here.
and it's almost leaking.
Almost leak, yeah. The water's trying to get out. So many of us in. Is that good, baby? Say hello. Hello to the future. Hello to the future. Yeah. Oh yeah. Thanks for that, baby. Yeah. Thanks for that. Oh my goodness, you guys. That was very enjoyable. Some nice quality family time. Lila had a feed, went straight to sleep. So I think everybody is now just chilling out watching a movie. And I'm gonna think about what to do for dinner. So it's about that time now. Look at my crazy mane. This is because I had it all up in the pool and now it's just gone mad. What even is this? Anyway, yeah, so a little bit of chill out time and then dinner. Don't know what I'm going to do yet. I don't even feel hungry, so it's really hard to think like what to make for dinner when you're not hungry. So the kids are just having meatballs for dinner, and yes, they are from a tin. We don't usually do like tinned foods and things like that, but every now and then it's handy just to be able to whack a tin out and have a quick dinner, because I didn't actually realise that it's nearly 7 o'clock now because the time's just flown away this afternoon. So they're having meatballs and they'll be having it with a bit of bread and butter. It doesn't seem like a lot, but then we did have pasta for lunch, so that was kind of like having dinner at lunchtime, so now it's just like a supper type thing. So they're going to have this, and then me and Kirk are probably just going to have some beans on toast in a little while. Hiya! Are we going to get you in your jammies? We're going to get your jammies on? Are you going to do your own bum? Yeah? You got your wipes? Where's your nappy? Where's your nappy? Oh, there goes the Xbox. You're going to do your own nappy, Lila? Go on then. You all ready for bed? You all ready for bed, Munchkin? You gonna stand? Yeah. You're standing up like a big girl. So it's now 7:30. We are about to put the kids to bed, which is definitely later than usual, but like I said before, time just kind of got away from us. At 8 o'clock, I have like an online worship thing that I do. So for those of you that don't know, I go to Network Vineyard Church, and because we obviously can't meet at the moment with everything going on, the church have been really good at putting stuff out there for people to still get involved with. So we still have church on Sunday, but we have it virtually. and we still have like weekly devotionals, weekly worship sessions. So tonight is one of the worship sessions. So it's like they sort of send out the chords for anyone that wants to play or sing along, and then it's just sort of half an hour of having a bit of worship time. So I always join in because, well, for a start, I'm on the worship team. I love worship, I love music. So I'm just up in my bedroom at the moment because I'm just printing off the chord sheets because I haven't actually had a chance to look through them yet. We're going to then get the kids to bed. Kirk will come upstairs and take care of that situation while I do my worship time downstairs. He's really good about it because he knows that it's really important to me. So he's been really, really good week after week after week at making sure that he's upstairs with the kids out of my way. So I just have that time to like worship, do my thing, like, you know, have that time for me. So so I'm just currently printing off, and then I can get my guitar out, tune it up and get ready to start singing. And as you can see, this hair situation did not get any better throughout the afternoon. I've literally done nothing with it though. I've not brushed it, I've just sort of left it and just so it's hot tub hair right now. Can't complain about a bit of hot tub hair. It could be worse. It could be worse. It definitely could be worse. It's just a little bit like doing what it wants to do. Oh God, Mason's shouting at Paige downstairs. I better get down there. Right, so I have tuned my guitar. I'm just going to go and grab a drink, and then I am going to go outside and clap for the NHS, and then and then I'll do my worship. I'm not going to film doing the worship because it is like a personal time, and it doesn't really feel like something I either want to film or feel is right to film. But yeah, so I'm just going to have like half hour to join in with the rest of my church for worship, and I'll see you later. So I've now done my worship, I have got my comfies back on, and I'm now going to go and make some beans on toast for me and Kirk because we didn't have our dinner earlier. So I'm really, really hungry now. So I'm looking forward to some cheesy beans on toast. We've not had the healthiest day food-wise, but I promise it's not like this every day. But yeah, so I'm going to go make some beans on toast. And then I'm probably going to watch a bit of telly, have a little bit of chill time. And yeah, so I'm probably going to leave the video here. Hopefully it's not been too boring. I mean, I think we've done like a fair amount today. Considering that we are literally stuck at home and can't go anywhere. So I'm going to sign off here, and I really hope that you've enjoyed watching what me and my family have been up to today whilst in lockdown. Don't forget to like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you very, very, very soon. Bye.